Yeah, hi guys, short video here about how we can mount such a sign here outside. You can see it's a quite large sign outside without any screws, without any nails, without any double-sided tape. What I did here before, I was just using museum putty. You can see it has a decent hold usually, but sometimes, especially when the sun is shining on this part here, then it's somehow slipping down and I need to do something else. For inside, it would probably work for months, years whatsoever, no problem with that. But outside with hot sun for hours, I need to do something else. By the way, here's the museum putty. It can be very useful, very versatile. This thing is many years old and it's still flexible. That's the awesome thing. And so the positive thing, it's very flexible even after years. But of course, that's also the negative point, that it keeps this thing flexible. So what I'm doing here as a combination, instead of using double-sided tape, because I'm not a big fan of double-sided tape, because you don't know how it will stay over longer time. Sometimes it loses the grip and sometimes it goes almost crazy, so you can't remove without damaging the collar. So what I did here, I bought some super silicone clear. I'm using this a lot, and so I put a little bit here, and so I've put 2 dots here on top. So I stick it back like that. So the first hold will come from the museum putty. So this will give then the 2 silicone dots enough time to cure. And after that, the main hold will come from the silicone dots and maybe just a little bit of stabilization from the museum putty. That's the idea here, and of course I put it here on top to make it more stable and also to be able to cut it if I don't need it. Maybe after a couple of months or years I could cut with a small knife from behind. So I just pushed it here against the wall, and this is how it looks. And there's definitely no sun here. The next sun will be tomorrow in the morning, and until then I hope that the silicone has been curing. So that's it for now. And so this is now 1 week later and everything has been working exactly as expected. So the museum putty has been enough for the first hold until the silicone is fully cured, and now the silicone is taking over for long-term hold and stability, also weatherproofness. So I would definitely do it again like that. And so I would say that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. By the way, if you're interested into this sign, it's very cheap. I got it for only $10 in a 4 set on Amazon. Looks absolutely awesome. Good quality printing, thin aluminum in the back, 4 holes. Definitely perfect for me. If you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience, maybe you have found a better way to do that, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things and learn new stuff. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.